How to make a liquid filter bag.
The first step PP. P material, non-woven fabric welding into a cylinder. Here use this G production of a 3000 watt thermal fan. After welding, we can see that joint surface is smooth and clean. The second step is to weld the plastic ring to the non-woven fabric as a whole. It is necessary to weld the ring opening of the liquid filter bag through several turns. In order to improve production efficiency, we improve the use of rotary bearings as auxiliary tool. This operation is simple. The workers are also relaxed, more humane. The 2600 watt welding machine produces 80 years here. The last step, liquid backtail seal welding. Use 4200 watt welding machine to seal back. So crazy. These resets of equipment that can meet the production of different types, diameters, and lengths of liquid filter bags.